Do you look for a validation from people emotionally unavailable? That means whenever you are drawn to such people who are emotionally unavailable, and then you feel that you are rejected, that you are abandoned, that you are not getting the response or the love you deserve. Have you ever thought that why it so happens that whenever you just move to somebody, you approach somebody, you're dating somebody, you're attracted to somebody, he is mostly unavailable. He is mostly cold, and his responses are very cold. He doesn't respond you. The response you deserve, not that you require, you deserve, because you are a good person, because you are emotionally mature, because you are emotionally intelligent. You are not only emotionally intelligent, you have high IQ, you have high self-respect, you are very confident. But why does it happen that when you approach people, it could be society, it could be office, it could be your love interest, but especially my topic here is that why people, some girls get rejected, right? So let me see, and I this would be for boys too, but this is for the girl version. Hello everybody, this is Mind Radius talking to you, and we provide solutions for health, relationship, money issues through NLP, psychotherapy, subconscious brain repatterning, and also holistic alternative healing methods. So you can see our site, and first of all, please subscribe to our channel, and we are also on Instagram, and the link of YouTube channel will be provided here. So the point here is why people get rejected, why girls get rejected, and why this repeatedly happens to them. Please try to understand my wisdom or the answer to this one of the mail, the question, and the current the mentee who is undergoing therapies with us is this is the problem she was facing. So I am sharing the some wisdom from the sessions for those girls who don't get love, who get rejected. So the problem is when you approach people who are really cold and there is a reason behind it. You might come from a family where father was, though physically present, but otherwise emotionally absent. What does it mean? It means that he has had a presence in home. He would come home, he would sit, he would watch TV, he'll go to office, he'll come back, and he's sip his tea or coffee and chat a bit with you, and then go to his friends or somewhere else, busy in his own chores. Now, but you always, as a child, you wanted his attention. You wanted that he should talk to you. He should ask, how was your day? How was your day at school? How was your day at college? What is happening in your life? Or do you want something from him? Or you just want a hug from him? Or you want to hug him? So, but it never happened. And so what happens is that in your childhood, you go to a kind of trauma that is called abandonment trauma. That abandonment trauma is, or you can also call it rejection trauma, that happens when you don't have a father, you have a cold father who doesn't respond you much, and doesn't give you emotions, or there's no lot much of emotional exchange or communication between you. Such girls, when they develop this wound, and their inner child is very hurt, and they start looking for validation from outside. They would approach they develop a kind of pattern. They would approach anyone they approach, rather. They would look for validation. They look for, yes, am I right? Okay, so go ahead. Is there any go ahead? Even if they are very loving, intelligent, respectful, career oriented, very, very high earning, but they would feel very, insecure that they might leave, the boy might leave, or the boy might not be interested in her, or maybe that, so in that, so in order to make the future partner happy, she would always, keep unnecessary take keep taking unnecessary steps to, kind of make him happy. But she would always get those, cold responses from the man, and the patterns would keep repeating, keep repeating. Listen carefully till she does not resolve the issue. She does not understand that what is happening with her, that her child, the beautiful child inside her, wants love from her, and that she needs to love that child, that she is a good child, she is fully capable, she is worthy of love, she is worthy of attention, she is worthy of protection, and she would be not left alone, rather being taken care of, being loved, being put in warmth, and always be, always would be asked for that, what are your, what do you need? So love your inner child. If you're going through the patterns, dear young girls, so please go and see that what's happening to your child, the child inside you. It's badly hurt. It's badly hurt because your father rejected you emotionally, your somebody else rejected you, your some, maybe relative rejected you. Now the man you want, because you approached the man because you wanted fatherly love. There was no fatherly love in your life, it was totally absent. So you thought that when you'll approach a boy, so you will definitely have such love from him, but that didn't happen. And so you kept rejected, you kept being rejected now, n number of times, and this breaks you. So if you don't want to be broken, just love your inner child. Say yourself, I love you, dear child, you're loved, child, you're loved. God bless, God bless, God bless.